Hello students, good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav, representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. I am explaining chapter 5th continuity of class 12. From NCERT, we are taking exercise 5.1, question number 28. Before starting the question, let me tell you that please watch it till last, like it, subscribe it and share it as much as possible. The question is, find the value of k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated point. Here the indicated point is x is equal to pi. Here we have to find the value of k for this given function. It is kx plus 1 when x is less than or equal to pi, and it is equal to cos x if x is greater than pi. Means for equal to pi we have to assign this, for less than pi also we have to assign this function, and for greater than pi we have to assign this function. So our aim is to determine the value of k, and here it is LHL to discuss in this part of the function, and equal to pi to discuss in this part of the function only, and greater than pi means RHL we have to discuss in this part of the function. So now at x is equal to pi, continuity test. LHL limit x tends to pi minus f of x, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. If we are changing the limit, then we have to take here pi minus h, because here we are assigning in the form of h. So it will be f of pi minus h. Now we have to put pi minus h in this part of the function because it is the LHL part, less than pi. So let us put the value of x in place of x here, k into pi minus h plus 1. On solving limit, if we put h is equal to 0 here, then it will become k pi plus 1. Now f of pi we have to find, that is equal to, means in place of pi we have to, in place of x we have to assign pi here in this part of the function also, because equal to sign is included here in this function. So now it will become k pi plus 1. Now RHL is equal to limit x tends to pi plus f of x, it is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of pi plus h, that is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now we have to write pi plus h here. Why is it so? Because here it is clearly mentioned that for greater than pi, RHL we have to discuss in this part of the function. So it will become cos pi plus h. On solving limit, of course we know that value of h is 0. So it is cos pi only. Cos pi value, it is equal to minus 1. Value of cos pi is minus 1. Now what we have to do? See, because it is given that f of x is continuous at x is equal to pi, therefore LHL is equal to f of pi is equal to RHL. Means we have to put k pi plus 1 here is equal to k pi plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now, if we take any of the k pi plus 1 from this, then it will become k pi plus 1 is equal to minus 1. That will be equal to k pi is equal to minus 1 means k pi is equal to minus 2, and k we have to find. The value of k will be minus 2 upon pi here. So, what we concluded, that if we put k is equal to minus 2 upon pi here, then this function will become continuous, this complete function. This is the aim of our question, and this question is over now. Now see, again we have to find the value of k here. Only the change is, here it is 3x minus 5 in place of cos x in previous question, and the point of discussion is at x is equal to 5. We have to check the continuity. Of course, it is continuous. So afterwards we have to put LHL is equal to f of 5 is equal to RHL there. Now at x is equal to 5, we are discussing continuity. Continuity test. LHL, that is equal to limit x tends to 5 minus f of x. It will become limit h tends to 0 f of 5 minus h, means less than 5, this part of the function will be applicable. So limit h tends to 0 k into 5 minus h plus 1. On solving limit, this will become 5k plus 1, because value of h is 0. So if we put 0 here, then it will be 5 minus 0. So 5k plus 1 is the LHL, value of LHL. Now f of 5, see, f of 5 is equal to, means for equal to 5, it is this only. So it will become 5k plus 1 only. If we put 5 here, so k into 5 is 5k plus 1. Now RHL, that is equal to limit x tends to 5 plus f of x. Now we have to put x is equal to 5 plus h here. See, limit h tends to 0. If we are changing the limit, means what we have to put? 5 plus h. So f of 5 plus h. So it will be equal to limit h tends to 0 3 into 5 plus h minus 5. On solving limit, if we solve this limit, then what will happen? 15, because value of h is 0. 15 minus 5, that is equal to 10. This value is 10. So it is 5k plus 1 here, and here it is 10, because f of x is continuous at x is equal to 5. Therefore LHL is equal to f of 5 is equal to RHL. These three parts are equal because there it is given, find the value of k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated point. Indicated point is x is equal to 5. So it is well clear that if we put LHL is equal to f of 5 is equal to RHL, this, then we can get the value of k. So 5k plus 1 is equal to 5k plus 1 is equal to 10. So now what will happen? we may assign any of the value 5k plus 1 which is equal to 10. So 5k plus 1 is equal to 10 means 5k is equal to 10 minus 1. So 5k is equal to 9 and k is equal to 9 by 5. So if we put value of k is equal to 9 by 5 in this function, then this function will become continuous. Means at k is equal to 9 by 5, LHL is equal to RHL and it is equal to f of 5 also at that place. It is over. The small change is there. Here also a and b value is asked. In up to previous question we have to find only the value, single value, that is k. Here two values we have to find and 2 points to discuss. See here, x is less than or equal to, here we have to find the values of a and b such that the function defined by f of x is equal to 5 for x is less than or equal to 2. If x is less than 2, we have to apply this. If x is equal to 2, we have to apply this only. But if x is greater than 2, so we have to apply this. It is the point to discuss, that is 2. At 2 we have to discuss. Afterwards, at 10 also it is defined. At less than 10, it is ax plus b. At equal to 10, it is 21. At greater than 10, it is again 21. Means, why 2 points are given? Let us discuss that part of the question. 2 points to discuss because we have to find two values here. So, at 2 points we have to discuss the continuity. So, at x is equal to 5 we are discussing, at x is equal to 2 we have to discuss first of all. At x is equal to 2, continuity test. LHL, that is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x, means less than 2. For less than 2, there is no x here. So, we may write it directly 5 for LHL because x is not there. So, no need to put any value there. It is 5 directly, which is constant value. Now, f of 2, that is equal to, again for equal to 2, again it is 5. Now, let us discuss RHL of this question. RHL is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. Here we have to discuss because x is there. For x is greater than 2, it is less than 10 but greater than 2. So, in this part of the function we have to put value. So, limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h, it is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h, means we have to put 2 plus h here in place of x. So, it will be a into 2 plus h plus b. Now, this will become, on solving limit, this will become 2a plus b because value of h is 0. So, 2 is multiplied by a plus b. So, 2a plus b because f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. Therefore, LHL is equal to f of 2 is equal to RHL. Means we have to put 5 is equal to 2a plus b. 5 is equal to 5. Again it is equal to 2a plus b. So, 5 is equal to 5 is equal to 2a plus b, means our equation will become 2a plus b is equal to 5. This is our first equation. Why we have to assign equation? Because we have to find two variables here, a and b. Now this one part is over here. Now see, it is at x is equal to 2, continuity test. Now at x is equal to 10 also we have to discuss the continuity of the function, because at 10 also it is given that it is continuous function. So at x is equal to 10, at x is equal to 10, continuity test we are applying. I am proceeding from here now. LHL, that is equal to limit x tends to 10 minus f of x, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 10 minus h. Means what we have to do, for less than 10 function is this only, ax plus b. So limit h tends to 0 a into 10 minus h plus b, that is equal to 10a plus b on solving limit. So it is 10a plus b. Now f of 10, let us see what happened at 10. At equal to 10 it is 21. And what about RHL? For RHL means greater than 10, it is again 21. Means limit x tends to 10 plus f of x. There is no x for greater than 10, means we may write directly equal to 21. Now what we have to discuss, that this function is continuous at 10 also on the defined point, because f of x is continuous at 10. Therefore LHL is equal to f of 10 is equal to RHL. Means what we can conclude from here? We can conclude that 5 is equal to 10a plus b. So it is our second equation, 10a plus b is equal to 5. This is our second equation. Now we are having two equations, first and second. We may proceed with solution by elimination method. 10a plus b, see here, 10a plus b, that is that 5 is the point of that 2. Here it is 21. So for 10a plus b, it is 10a plus b at LHL, 10a plus b, f of 10 is 21 and RHL is also 21. So what is our second equation? It is 10a plus b is equal to 21. It is our second equation. So you may remember that both the points should not mix there. 10a plus b is equal to 21, you have to remember this, that 5 is for point 2. That was by mistake written 5. It is 21 actually. At 10a plus b we have discussed here f of 10 and RHL also 21. So 10a plus b is equal to 21 is our second equation. So this one is second and this one is first. Now second minus first we can do. See, if we subtract this from this, 10a plus b is equal to 21. We are subtracting this one from this. So 10a plus b is equal to 21 means second equation, and 2a plus b is equal to 5. It is our first equation. That b is cancelled. 10a minus 2a, that is 8a, is equal to 21 minus 5 is 16. So a is equal to 16 upon 8. 8 to the 16. A is equal to 2 is the point. On putting in any of the equation, on putting in equation 1, so it will become 2 into 2 plus b is equal to 5. So b is equal to 5 minus 4. So b is equal to 1. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. These are the answers. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 are those values when this function will become continuous. So it is over here up to this part. See now question number 31. Show that the function defined by f of x is equal to cos x square is a continuous function. So you may do this question by two tricks. You may assign x square another function and cos x another function. Means f like this, f of x is equal to g o f x. You may write it like this, where it is cos g o h, because f we have already assigned. So you may assign h of x is equal to x square and g of x is equal to cos x separately, because h of x, if you are assigning it x, then it will become cos x square. Suppose, let us see, I am writing it y. So what it will become? G O H x, that you have done in class 11th also. F of x is equal to cos of y, where y is equal to x square. Means what you can do, in place of y you may assign now cos of x square. So it is function of function, we can say. So you can do it by this trick also. Separately you can solve these two functions, and then f of x is equal to cos x square will be proved as a continuous function. Means f of x is continuous when g of x and h of x both are continuous. For function of function, you may do it by f of x is equal to g o h x by that trick, but it will become complex for you. So you may do it directly also. Directly I am telling you, this is also one way to solve it. And one direct method which we can apply at x is equal to k is element of real number continuity test. We have to show that this function is continuous. So what we can do? We can take LHL now, that is equal to limit x tends to k minus, because we have assigned k here, f of x, that is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of k minus h. Then it will be limit h tends to 0, cos of k minus h whole square. What you can do? You can do here limit h tends to 0, cos of k square minus 2kh plus h square, because a plus a minus b whole square formula will be applicable here. So now on solving limit, this will become cos k square. Very clear? Because value of h is 0, so this will become 0 and this will become 0. So it will become cos k square directly. Now f of k, that will be cos k square only. Now RHL, that is equal to limit x tends to k plus f of x, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of k plus h whole square is equal to, sorry, f of k plus h means you may write cos k plus h whole square. So limit h tends to 0, it will become cos k plus h whole square. So this will be equal to limit h tends to 0 cos, again here a plus b whole square formula will be applicable. So this will become k square plus 2kh plus h square. Now on solving limit, this will become cos k square. Why is it so? Because value of h is 0. So 2k into 0 will be 0 and h square, that is 0 square is again 0. So cos k square. What we can see? It is cos k square here, it is cos k square here also, and it is cos k square here also. So because LHL is equal to f of k is equal to RHL, therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to k is element of R. Means for all real number this will become continuous. You can do it by this trick, it will be easy as compared to that which I have shown you in starting. So you may write here hence prove, because we have to prove here, we have to show that. So it is hence prove. See question number 31. It is show that the function defined by f of x is equal to cos x, mod of cos x, is a continuous function at x is equal to k. Suppose we are again doing this question. So LHL we have to write in this manner, limit x tends to k minus f of x, that we may write limit h tends to 0 f of k minus h, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 mod of cos k minus h, which is equal to, on solving limit, this will become cos k mod, that is equal to cos k only. Now f of k, that is equal to mod of cos k, that is again equal to cos k only. At x is equal to k, we have done LHL, f of k also. Now see RHL. RHL is equal to limit x tends to k plus f of x, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of k plus h. F of k plus h means limit h tends to 0, we may write here cos k plus h in mod. On solving limit, if we put h is equal to 0 here, then what will happen? It will become mod of cos k, that is equal to cos k only. So we may write because LHL is equal to f of k is equal to RHL, therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to k is element of R. It is continuous here also. So this is also, here also you can write Hence proof. And thanks for watching our channel Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda, and please do like, subscribe and share it as much as possible.